Good afternoon, folks. What I have for you here is this beautiful Schecter Demon 7 guitar. Now, quickly tell me, what is different about this one? Well, it has 6 strings. How is that possible? Well, it is possible by using the Katya Ironworks Schecter Demon 7 No Drill 6-string conversion kit. Now, before we take a closer look at this, why would you want to buy a 7-string guitar and convert it to 6 strings? Hey, not all of us have beautiful long fingers and small hands. If you are gifted with large hands and meaty fingers, you may find it difficult to find an electric guitar that has a nut width that is closer to that of a nylon string acoustic guitar. This mod allows you to achieve that on an electric guitar. We machine these nuts out of black tusk. That's the engineering plastic. You can look it up. It works beautiful. It's self-lubricating. If you pay close attention, there is a 3D curve here. This is not a simple shape. We actually have built this guitar in a simulation environment. We did the finite element analysis, all the math to calculate the optimum 3-dimensional mesh curve that will allow the most comfortable, most playable string separation and string height. So what happens on your headstock when you're going to have one of the winders empty, obviously? Well, that is up to you. You can leave it in there. And if at any time you want to convert your guitar back to 7 strings, you can reuse it. As I mentioned, the kit is no drill. There's no modification to your guitar. All you have to do is take out the strings. This is a 7-string bridge, okay? Lift it up, put ours in there. On the nut side, push the factory nut out, put ours in there, and that's it, done. Now, some people don't want to leave a machine in there, to leave a winder in there, and they would like their guitar to look like a true 6-string. For those people, we make these beautiful hole covers. This is surgical grade stainless steel that we machine this in-house. If you go get yourself a piercing, this is what they would be putting in your body. I mean, hopefully that's what they use. The reason we use surgical steel is it's not going to react with your sweat. So as you're playing your guitar, it's not going to rust, it's going to last forever. This comes as 2-piece. We have it machined and M3 on the back, like so. Beautifully threaded. And we're going to put that on there. If you want these engraved, we can also engrave them with the design of your choice, whatever you can imagine, really. This, to my knowledge, is the first and only kit that allows you to do this